Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through Chrome Devtools network panel. For this video I'm going to use this page extracted from one of my Bootstrap videos. If you need to learn more about Bootstrap, you can watch the videos and find the links in the description below. You can open network panel and just click on this More Actions button, More Tools, Developer Tools. The hotkey is Ctrl-Shift-I. And the fastest way to open DevTools, let me close it first, just right click and hit inspect and then click on network panel. Right now we don't have any activity here. Just refresh the page and make sure this recording button active. This panel logs all network activity, and each row represents a resource. By default, the resources are listed chronologically. This top resource is usually the main HTML document, and each column represents information about a resource. Here we have got HTTP response code. If you need to learn more about these codes, you can watch my video and find the link in the description below. Then the type of the request. This column is for initiator that caused these requests. If you click the link, let's say this one, it takes you to the source code that caused this request. Then we have got size of the request, the time. This column is actually a graphical representation of different stages of the request. You can hover over a waterfall to see a breakdown, or let's say more information. You can also sort these requests by name, status, size, and you can also right click and find more columns. Above this log section, we have this overview pane with timeline. You can drag left or right to see the activities within a specific period of time. Let's say within this period of time we have this activity, and here we have few activities, and then here we also have got an activity, and then at the end we have these two activities. At the bottom we have this status bar. In this page we have total 8 requests, and the size it transferred 85.5 KB. The size of these resources is 221 KB, and this page took 579 microseconds to load. You can also inspect resource details, let's say index.html, and you're provided with various tabs. This is header information, and then we have got preview of the request. Then we have got response, initiator, timing, cookies associated with this request. Let me close it now. One more thing, let's say if you have a minified resource, as we do have here, this bootstrap.min.css, just click on it and go to response tab. It's very difficult to read the content of this file, so you just click this print button to reformat it for readability. Let me close this now. You can also search your network log, and you can clear all of these logs with this button. Let me refresh the page, load it again, and then we have got this show or hide filters, and you can filter out these requests by XHR, JAVASCRIPT, CSS, and so on. Let me set it back to all, and if you need to preserve logs, you can do it by checking this option. And what it would do, let's say if I refresh the page without keep it checked, these are fresh logs. And if you want to keep these logs, just check this option. Now if I refresh the page, we are provided with the previous logs as well as the fresh one. You can also enable or disable cache to emulate how a first-time user experiences your site. Alright, that ends the video here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.